welcome back to my channel, and this is CJ. So today we're going to have another unboxing video. So last year I actually unboxed my MacBook Air 2019. So this year, of course, you already know it, I know it, I'm going to unbox the MacBook Air 2020! Yes guys, okay, so we actually bought it from the lobby. Yeah, this is one of the famous electronic or technology shops in Japan. So yeah, marami kayo. If you want to buy some computers or any electronic products, you can find it here in lobby or Yamada. Yeah. So minsan nagpo-promo sila. Yeah, so there you go guys. So we have the MacBook Air 2020 on my right side, and on my left we have my MacBook Air 2019. So we're just going to have a little comparison today, okay? So but for now, we're going to unbox this MacBook Air. Are you ready guys? So if you are ready, let's do it. Actually, wala talaga siyang masyadong pinagkaiba dun sa 2019 version ng MacBook Air. So, yeah. So, let's remove this one. 1, 2, 3! Yes! There you go! Here's our MacBook Air 2020. So it's actually same with my MacBook Air 2019. As in, sobrang identical nila, guys. Sobra. Okay, so let's try. So, sa box muna tayo. Tingnan natin kung anong laman. I love the stickers of Apple. Actually, sa lahat ng mga gadgets ko, never ko talagang ginamit yung mga stickers. Ewan ko, siguro makaka-relate yung iba. Pero sa akin, for me kasi mas gusto ko siya tinatago kasi gamitin. Yan, so, and also our brick. Yan, charger brick. So, bagong-bago guys. Look. Yan, okay. So, ayan, let's move to our laptop. Eto na siya, guys. O, diba? Actually, wala talaga siyang pinagkaiba sa 2019 na MacBook Air. So, let's peel this off. Quiet lang, hi, guys. Oh, can you hear that? Wow. Super smooth. Ayan. So, dahan-dahan natin tanggalin. Ayan. Ito rin guys, tinatago ko rin siya kapag bumibili ako ng mga products ng Apple. Talagang super iniingatan ko sila. So, ayan. Let's put it here. And then mamaya, bubuksan ko yung 2019 ko na MacBook Air. Tapos, i-compare natin siya sa 2020 MacBook Air. So, ayan siya guys. Stunning pa rin. Diba? Ganda. Gold color. Okay. So, let's put it up. Yan, bagong-bago talaga siya guys. Look. Tulad talaga last year. There you go. Amoy Macbook. Malamang amoy Macbook. Okay, so now let's get my MacBook Air 2019. Actually guys, itong video na to, gagawin ko to kasi I want to help the people who are actually asking me, like, is it really worth it to upgrade from 2019 to 2020? So yun, nagsalita na naman yung computer. Pero this time Japanese siya. So mamaya na natin siya ayusin since hindi ko pa naman siya i-set up. Ayan. So tanggalin muna natin to. Tingnan natin yung 2019 na MacBook Air. Ayan. So guys, yan. Ito yung 2019 na MacBook Air. So, if you're asking me, if you're gonna ask me kung worth it ba na mag-upgrade, for me, hindi naman talaga necessary kasi itong MacBook Air 2019, sa paggamit ko sa kanya, talagang wala akong naging problema. The battery, still really good. Talagang tumatagal siya kasi sa school, magsa-start ako mag-work ng 8:15 at matatapos ako mag-work ng 4 p.m. or 4:15. Then, talagang straight gamit ko siya. So, nagagawa ko ng mga PowerPoints, ganyan, tapos mga worksheets. But, the battery is still, good. Talagang, hindi ako nag-charge the whole day. Tapos, pag uwi ko pa ng bahay, talagang meron pa siyang charge. So, amazing talaga, guys. Sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga. So, ayun guys, nilagyan ko rin siya ng cover. And this is my cover. I actually bought this cover in Amazon. Yeah, Amazon JP. So, it's kind of cheap, but the quality is really good. Yeah, so, here you go guys. Look at the MacBook Air 2019 and the MacBook Air 2020. Okay, so, ano ba yung pinagkaiba nilang dalawa? So, eto na yan guys. So, as you can notice, dito sa MacBook Air 2020, iba na yung keyboard niya compare sa 2019. So, in 2019 version, we have the butterfly keyboards. Pero dito sa 2020 natin, we have the magic keyboards. Ayan. So, yan. Ibang itsura niya. Kung mapapansin nyo guys. Pero yung itsura talaga ng MacBook Air sa kabuuan, it's actually the same. Talagang sobrang same niya. Ang specs naman nito, kasi marami kayong pagpipilian sa Apple, kasi marami rin silang ni-release. May 3 yata silang klaseng ni-release na MacBook Air this year. Iba-iba lang ang specs, pero same product. Sa specification lang sila nagkakaiba. So itong MacBook Air na to, it is actually the Core i3. Yan, makikita natin yung specification niya dito sa box. So, ayan. Nakalagay dito, True Tone, just like last year. And then, Intel Core i3. Okay, 4 MB. Yan. And then, ito ang pinakamaganda sa version nila ngayon ng MacBook Air. Kasi this year, tinaasan nila yung base memory ng MacBook Air. So, itong 2020 MacBook Air is actually 256 gigabytes. Ayan. Unlike dito, sa last year na version, it's actually 128 gigabytes lang. Pero, para sa akin naman, okay lang naman kasi hindi naman talaga naglalag yung laptop ko. So, depende lang siguro kung saan nyo gagamitin, kung anong purpose nyo, kung bakit nyo siya gagamitin. So, for video editing, siguro mas maganda kung mas mataas talaga na memory ang gagamitin nyo. Pero kung sa mga documentation lang naman, katulad ko, PowerPoints, browsing sa net, I think this one is okay. Hindi na kailangan ng marami pang memory. And I also have the HDD. Okay, so hard disk drive. So meron akong 3 terabytes. So I really don't need huge, memory. So or storage. So yan. So we have the Thunderbolt just like last year, and it's also has Touch ID. Yeah, yan both. Yan pareho. Pareho talaga sila, guys. At saka yun, sabi nila meron silang pagkakaiba in a sense sa speakers nila, pero sobrang konti lang talaga. I mean, like, mas maganda raw yung nung bass ng MacBook Air 2020. Pero I believe naman na hindi naman kayo bibili ng laptop just for the sake of the speakers, diba? Okay, so ayan. And then we have the FaceTime and Mac OS and so on and so forth. So yun. So yun, guys. And one more thing, pag bibili nga pala kayo ng MacBook Air, you have to buy this one separately. So this is a hub. Okay, you can actually buy this in, Amazon or kahit saang online shops. So yeah, merong mahal, merong mura, so depende sa choice. So that is our unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy it at sana nakakatulong ako sa inyo na if ever you want to upgrade or if you want to buy a new laptop, then I can recommend the Macbook Air 2020. It's actually good. Yeah, and ang pinaka gusto ko talaga sa kanya is yung base memory niya na tumaas siya to 256 kesa sa last year. So yan, guys, that is our unboxing today. I hope you like it. So if you do like it, please subscribe to my channel and please hit the like button below and please share to your friends. Okay? Thank you, guys, and keep safe all the time. God bless you. God bless us. Bye-bye. See you on my next videos.